the newspapers, you can't get accounts out, detailed accounts. There's better coverage of the war in Vietnam, of incidents in Latin America and South America in our newspapers than what goes on in Mississippi, because the newspapers really aren't committed to completely, day after day, turning out the news of what really happens down here to the American public. Because for one thing, they don't believe the American public could stand it. That is, that they could really discuss and do something about what happens down here. And they would have to do that if they were continually told about what happens down here. White people, first of all, they don't believe in many cases that Negroes are people in the same sense as they are. So they feel that they can do this kind of thing. But in one sense, of course, that's an extreme. That's Mississippi. In another sense, it's not so extreme, because in another sense, the whole country is organized not to service all of its people, but to service some abstract ideas of freedom, which are linked up to the whole Cold War and the need to have $50 billion every year spent on a defense budget, which does not produce jobs for people, but instead produces weapons and things which can destroy people.